Hello guys, welcome back to another video in Addicted Gaming. I am Dhanush.
And I am Kaushik. Today we are gonna see which thrower is the best, Dynamite or Tick.
So there are more two throwers, Sprout and Barley. So that we will do in another video. So let's continue.
So guys, I took Tick because I really like Tick and he does a lot of damage.
Not more than Dynamite. Don't
Oh
go.
really? Let's see.
Don't rush middle. You're a thrower. People will two-shot you. And I'm getting
Is
two
that
shots.
why I got so many power cubes?
Only two. I'm gonna take that and burst more boxes. I one-shot
I killed
boxes.
a bull. I killed a bull. Oh yeah. Oh
I
yeah.
one-shot boxes. Here one team is getting shattered by me.
Oh really?
Yeah. And one Jackie is gonna die. Yoo-hoo! Unnecessarily used my super. And 10 power cubes with 2 throwers. And don't mess with us.
Winning to win.
Don't mess with these guys. Don't mess with 10 power cube people. They're gonna burst you. And again, if they have these.
That's it.
Done. Match done. Woohoo! One shot. Chal. Bye. See 10,000 damage at once.
Oh my Tick head. My super killed the Brock.
Wow.
Guys, that's how you play with throwers.
Didn't expect that we would win. So we have a box. Wow. Please. First time I'm opening a box in a video. Supercell, give me a brawler. Yesterday my brother made his El Primo level power level 7. He opened one small box, no big box, and he got off the gadget. Oh, 3 items remaining. No bro. Oh my dynamic just now get a upgrade. I am gonna.
Oh, please. Oh no, I got no brawler.
Again I will. Now after 15 trophies, I'm going to get a mega box. Supercell, please. Now I'm gonna take Tick, and Kaushik is gonna take Dynamic. So Dynamic and Tick both are damage takers, means they take no much damage. But I like Dynamic the most because his reload speed is faster than Tick, and he moves faster. He escapes people. He escapes so nicely.
Even though I like Tick, I really like Dynamite's star power. Dyna jump.
You go and take power cubes and give me them and you die. टू 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 5 पावर क्यूब आ गए हमको. I am speaking in Hindi. अब 6
7. I bought you the power cubes.
No, one more.
I killed a bow also. 9. 10 power cubes again.
Now I am opening here boxes and Kaushik is ambushing peoples. Do you know this Leon bro? One person is there called Leon.
I killed.
My one.
Oh, I killed a team. I killed a whole team.
I am here bottom. You have to come here. My one shot is taking 1000 damage. That gone. People gave up. 14.
Whoa! I just killed them. I just killed a Carl.
I just killed a Rosa here. My god, Kaushik. Today's video is insanely lucky for us. I don't know why. We are ambushing people. So, I'm taking
people left, right, center.
Yeah, now I'm gonna take Dynamite.
Guys, I think we can do the Barley and Sprout right now.
Yeah. I don't have Sprout, so I'm taking Barley. Oh my Barley. Barley is so cute.
True, Barley is really cute.
But he's a bartender. You really wanna go now also with a sprout? I don't think so. I am gonna collect cubes because Barley is really squishy brawler. Oh no, 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 Kaushik! Why? A Nani is killing me. Should I? Okay. Do 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 do. I am
I'm
collecting
pushing the
cubes.
Nani from the back. Yes, I killed the Nani.
Woo. Throwers are insanely lucky here. 10 power cubes, don't mess with us. Penny, don't mess with us, Penny. Oh my god, teammate came. My god, I'm gone, Kaushik, I'm gone. Sorry, I'm
Even
dead.
I'm gone. No, I'm gone.
I don't have any words to speak currently. Let's play another
Same.
match with them both. Then we'll hop on to some brawl ball.
Trolling.
No, then I'm going to push my brawler. You rush them to the middle. I don't care. You die. You give me cubes because I'm the one of the squishiest brawler in Brawl Stars. And you died. No, you're alive.
No, I didn't.
But no cubes. I collected.
Oh, hello, I got 6 cubes.
Oh my god, 7. I collected. Died.
Okay, I
Cold
died
kill.
now.
Okay, good. At least. Oh. Oh my god, I died. One shot. Mama J needs some love. That's not true. Barley needs some love. Our ticket dynamite or killing
And
people.
we just came, smacked your face and left.
From now, we have to learn an important lesson, guys. Power cubes are not important. Staying alive is important. I'm gonna come to the middle with you. I'm gonna die with you. Yeah, I'm gonna die with you. And I'm lagging. So, total sayapa happened with us now.
Okay, now
Now,
let's just troll people with really powerful brawlers.
yes.
Oh, I can upgrade my bull.
My bull is parallel 7. If
My bull is power level 8 right now.
now if I by mistakenly get the gadget of bull in my mega box, Brawl Stars, Athu. Now play fast, Koshi. My brother is so happy to get El Primo's gadget.
It's so dumb. You go to the other side, I'll go to the middle.
I am gonna collect cubes. I need just cubes. No, I don't need cubes. I need to be alive. Opened 2 boxes. Now number box I'm opening. Oh.
I just died. 5 teams just. 4 teams just. Bam.
Oh my god! El Primo, don't mess with this. Don't mess with us. Don't mess.
You don't have Bali's gadget.
I don't have. And I don't care also. I don't. You just went.
Just been a player.
No. I died. Sorry. Ambushing. You have to not take brawlers like bull. I don't know. I'm leaving of barley.
Okay, I will take Bali. I have his gadget.
Don't take barley now. I'm gonna max.
Okay, I'm gonna take Rocket Lace.
No, let's hop on to a friendly match only one friendly match, guys, and then we are going to see which is the best. Where are you, Kaushik? Hello, Kaushik. Okay. So now you are going to take any brawler of your wish in the map of Ulta Caravana Crunch. I know the best brawler for this map. The best brawler of the map in Caravana Crunch is none other than, I won't say,
Shelly.
Bandit. Let's hit this. So Kaushik,
I'm ready. I know that you took Shelly.
no, no, you have to click ready. If I die, but here boy is also useful. He can track down people. Oh, my bandit is loading. I don't know what is bandit first of all. And there's a Nani who opened a box and went without the cube. Pity on you, Nani. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. 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 Oh no 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 no. I almost died. You took Mortis. Bad choice, Kaushik. Come in front of me. I'll two-shot you because I have only 2 power cubes. Bad joke, lame joke. I know that. Please, guys, like मार दो. वीडियो हमारे YouTube को सब्सक्राइब कर दो. कुछ भी नहीं जाता. बस लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दो. Please.
Are you still alive?
I am.
Because there's a 10,000 health El Primo on the loose.
You are alive?
Yes.
No, no, no. I am dead now. Oh, oh, oh. Deep bullshit with.
क्या हो गए भोसड़ी वाले?
Hey, don't speak bad
Yes,
words.
I won.
Leave it now. That's all for the videos. Until then, meet you in another video in Addicted Gaming. I don't know what I messed up with.
है ना?